Has anyone ever told you, if you want to be a YouTuber, you have to show your face? I used to hear that too. Last year, I wanted to start a channel, but I was terrified of being on camera. I felt like if I didn't show my face, my channel had no chance. But one night, in the middle of frustration, I stumbled upon an animation channel with millions of views. No face, no fancy studio, just voice and creativity. That's when I said, this is my path. If you're like me, don't miss this video because I'm about to show you how to start YouTube without showing your face and make money doing it. Stick around until the end because I'm going to rebuild your mindset. Give this video a like and in the comments, write, if I didn't have the fear of showing my face, what channel would I start? Welcome to Capital Spark, the place where dreams become reality, even without showing your face. Is YouTube just an app? No, it's a powerhouse. With 7 billion active users by 2025, billions of minutes of video are watched every single day. And here's the good news for those of us who don't show our faces. This opportunity is for everyone. Even channels that only use graphics or voice are exploding with success. From ads to brand deals and product sales, YouTube's income sources are endless. In profitable niches like technology and finance, faceless YouTubers earn between $1,000 to $5,000 per month, even with 0% face visibility. So don't be afraid. Success isn't about showing your face, it's about creating valuable content. How can you actually make money on YouTube? Write these down. 1. YouTube ads, after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 2. Sponsorships. Brands look for awesome, unique channels. They don't care about faces, they care about results. 3. Affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn commissions for every sale. 4. Your own products, courses, ebooks, graphic files, you name it. Pro tip, even if you start with one method, you can mix and diversify your income sources. Comment below, which method excites you most? Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or your own course? Think faceless channels can't succeed? Think again. Kurzgesagt, an animated science channel. No face, 24 million subscribers. Tasty, just food and hands. No face, no extra dialogue. 21 million subscribers. I've created a special list of the most successful faceless YouTube channels, channels that reached millions of views and subscribers without ever showing their faces. If you're looking for inspiration, content ideas, or just a motivational push, I've linked the free PDF download in the video description so you can access this valuable list for free. All of these channels share one secret formula: creativity plus consistency equals explosive growth. One more time, ask yourself, if showing my face doesn't matter, what can I do to stand out? Comment below. Let's be real for a second. YouTube isn't easy, but it's worth it. On your journey, you'll face challenges like content creation takes time. Getting your first 1,000 subscribers is tough. Learning YouTube's algorithm, and SEO. I used to think one viral video would change everything. But YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. The good news? I'll walk you through everything in this series, from finding your niche to creating your first video. If you're still here, that means you're truly ready for change. Drop a like so I know you're in, and write, I'm ready for the marathon. Now it's time for action. Grab a paper and answer these 3 questions. 1. What do I love? History, psychology, food, technology. 2. What skills do I have? Storytelling, teaching, reviewing. 3. How can I present this without showing my face? Slides,
Animation,
voiceover. My example? I loved history and was great at storytelling. So I made slides and narrated them. Now it's your turn. Take this seriously because next episode, we'll explore how to find a profitable niche that fits you best. Now you know, YouTube without showing your face is 100% possible and even more profitable than you imagined. There are tons of ways to make money, but ask yourself, are you ready to be creative and keep going? I started from a place where no one believed in me, but now my channel is on a real growth path. You can do it too if you start with full commitment. Final question. What dream are you building with YouTube? 2 arrows circle $1. Now it's your turn to write your story. Drop it in the comments. With Capital Spark, we bring dreams to life. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, because in the next episode, we'll dive into finding the most profitable faceless niche. This will define your journey. Until the next episode, keep shining. Quick response.